Hey, what's up, everyone? It's another nice day for fishing. The weather is really nice. The water's pretty calm, but it's low tide, so I have to be careful about getting my line stuck on the boulders. So here I am hooked up, and it's my first Hinalea. I say that because I'm bound to catch more Hinaleas today. Here's my second hookup, and this one is coming in really fast, so I'm guessing another Hinalea. And it is, although this one is a little bit different because this Hinalea is a different one. The Hinalea is a wrasse, and there are a lot of different types of wrasse, and this one is a bird-nosed wrasse because you can see the long snout it has. It's like a bird's beak. So this one, I'm hooked up and I knew it was a Hinalea because it was coming in so fast, like hardly any. I didn't even know I had a fish on the line. It was that light. Okay, hook up again. So this one is a little bit different. It's giving me a little bit of a fight here. It feels a little bit heavier on the line. And as I'm bringing it in, I can see color. And it's just another fat Hinalea. That's why it was a little heavier. That's okay. We'll keep trying. Now this hookup was a lot different. It was a heavy line, heavy pull, and it swam to the right, then it swam to the left, which is why I'm over on the left side trying to get it out without it getting stuck. And it's a Moano. Yes. And this one's pan size, so just enough for dinner. So I'm gonna keep him. And I'll show it to you in just a sec after I take out the hook. And there it is, the Manybar Goatfish. Now we're at home and I'm going to steam the Moano. So what I'm doing is preparing the steamer, putting peanut oil around the pan so that the fish doesn't get stuck. I already put water in the bottom and I put some ginger, fresh ginger, and some garlic in the water just for flavor when it steams the fish. So here I am drying the fish and I am going to cut the body in a crosshatch like I always do. And this is so the flavor can get into the meat of the fish. And this is the best way I found is to get flavor inside of the body. So we did this on both sides, and I'm putting garlic salt, pushing it into the cuts, and I'm going to put a little pepper as well on both sides. And then I also have chopped up from left to right garlic, onion, green onions, and ginger. We're going to do the same thing as we did with our seasoning. We're going to put some into the cuts in the body, and we're putting some in the cavity just to put more flavor. And you want to get as much flavor as you can before you place it into the steamer. And now we're going to put into our steamer. Water's all boiling, and then we put it down to simmer. Close it up and let it steam. And you can see our hamburgers cooking on the side there. That's the ground beef we bought from Kuahivi Ranch earlier. Checking on my fish, and it's not quite ready yet. Maybe about 5 more minutes. Now it's done and ready to plate. It looks good, smells good. Can't wait to try it. Put it on my plate, and we're going to top it off with a little bit more of the garlic, ginger, onions, and green onions. Put it on the top there, and then we're going to put our hot oil over it. And I had the hot peanut oil getting on the stove while the fish was steaming. So here we go. You can hear that sizzling. of the oil. And it looks good. And it's ready to grind. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.